Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Darcia, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Darcia and I make beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and motherhood videos. So today's video is going to be a hair tutorial on how I got this cute bob. This V-part wig is from Alipearl. So shout out to Alipearl for sending me this unit. They were kind enough to send me a box with all of the accessories that I needed and also a couple freebies such as an edge brush and a pair of lashes. So first thing I did was get my braid pattern going. So my mom braided my leave out. I kept some leave out on the sides because last time I didn't, and I felt like it was a lot harsher on my edges than having a leave out because I don't feel the need to straighten and match my leave out with my hair all the time. So basically she did like 4 braids towards the back and kept a leave out top part skunk thing going towards the front. All right guys, so I am back home. As you guys can see, this is my braid pattern. So she did a couple braids on the side, I think 3 medium ones here. These are my leave out as well, and leave out in the back. I'm going to flat iron the leave out in the back just for shits and giggles. I don't really have to because the hair is about like shoulder length. I'm gonna blow dry this part just to have it as smooth as possible using the Revlon like blow dryer. So this is the V-part wig that I chose. As you guys can see, super bouncy. It is like a body wave texture. Usually I get a straight hair wig or U-part wig because that's just my go-to. I feel like that's a bit easier to blend with my leave outs. But this time I got a body wave simply because I wanted something a bit more natural and easygoing for the summertime. So as you guys can see, this is a V, of course, if it's V-shaped, has clips over here, clips down here, 1 clip in the back, and they have these comb looking clips as well to pin in the back. So I'm just going to be straightening my leave out. Basically there was a problem with my mic where it didn't want to connect to my camera, so I figured I'd do a voiceover for the rest of the video. So I'm now straightening the leave out towards the back just so I could tie my hair in a low pony. All right, so I'm going to be cutting the excess hair on the V-part wig. I just felt like those pieces of hair were sticking out a little too much, so I'm just going to plop on the wig and make sure I clip everything securely around the braids that my mom did earlier that day. The wig has a couple comb clips, so I made sure those were pushed into the braids as well. To straighten my sideburns or whatever you want to call them. I'm gonna straighten those just to make sure that they blend a little more. Unfortunately, that color, which is the 1B color, I think my hair lightened over the summer because usually my hair can blend pretty well with the 1B color, but my hair was way too light. So now that I'm straightening my hair, you guys are going to see how much lighter my hair is. It was okay. I've been wearing this unit for about a week now and it doesn't look that bad. And honestly, knowing the people around me, they would have probably told me like, girl, this is not matching. This is really bad. So it wasn't that bad. It looked pretty natural. This is a 16-inch, and the reason why I got a 16-inch is because I was planning on cutting it. I am more into the short hair lately. I don't know why I like the short bobs, so I decided to cut the wig a little myself, knowing that I would keep it curly. I think when you know you'll be curling your hair or keeping the curls or the natural waves, you don't have to be too precise with cutting your hair. So now that I have done the middle part, I know what it's gonna look like. I'm just going to take a pair of scissors and go right in. It's giving glamorous Lord Farquaad, but I still think it's a look. I just made sure that I didn't cut my natural hair, but that's why we braided all of the hair, especially towards the middle, because those are like this is like the longest hair on my head. And now I'm gonna go in with a 1-inch barrel curler. Just a side note, I did curl my hair with a 1.5-inch curler a couple days after, and I prefer those curls a lot more, so I'll try to insert a clip on how those look. I prefer that style with the 1.5 inch. It gives more of a blowout look, when the 1 inch barrel gives more of like a wavy curly look. So now I'm going in with the 1 inch curler, and I'm just curling my leave out with the V-part wig hair. When you insert your natural hair with the hair extensions or the wig, it makes the curls blend a lot easier. You don't see the separation with the curl pattern from your hair and the curl pattern from the wig or the hair extensions. So as you guys can see, I'm blabbing away. My friend Lo, it's her birthday soon. It should be her birthday. I think it's the day that this video goes up. So happy birthday, girl. But we had some tea and stuff to discuss about her birthday, just some planning and stuff. So when my mic was giving me issues, I figured I'd just stay on the phone with her and we could talk. So this is how the hair turned out. I think it's really cute and really simple. I'm just gonna be touching up some curls a bit more. This took me, honestly, without the braiding process, if you're able to braid your hair, this took me about 15 minutes to do. Especially since the hair came in a wave pattern, I did not have to go section by section and curl my hair individually. What I love about U-part wigs is that they're so versatile, especially if you have a leave out. I now put in some like leave-in oil, just so my hair can be as shiny as the V-parts shine. It does look really natural and really cute. I do wish that my hair was darker, or they had a lighter option, because the 1B is close to black compared to my hair, but it wasn't that bad, honestly. Like, Bae didn't have anything to say. He liked it. Didn't match that well, but it was pretty cute. So what I love about U-part wigs is that they're so versatile, especially if you have a leave out. You can tuck your hair behind your ears, you can put on a hat, put on some sunglasses, and you can tie your hair as well. It just looks so natural. So here's the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a really, really quick and easy hairstyle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!